Today's task is buffer overflow attack. This is a type of attack that exploits the software vulnerability where a program writes more data to buffer that it can hold. When this happens, the extra data spills over into adjacent memory locations, potentially overwriting and corrupting valid data or executable code. Attackers can use buffer overflow vulnerabilities to alter the execution path of a program, allowing them to execute arbitrary code, crash the system, or gain unauthorized access to sensitive information. This can lead to serious security breaches and system compromises. Now, let us know what is a shell code. Shell code is nothing but a series of machine code instructions designed to execute by the target machine. The provided shell code is for spanning a shell. Now let's go into the code here. We are given different types of shell code. Using this content code, the shell code is inserted at the end of this buffer and the buffer is written into the file called bad file here. Here we can observe that a bad file is created, but when we try to open it, it causes error. Here we have created a fun function execute shell which uses OS execute to replace the current process with the shell bin. The function is called spanning shell. This function takes a password and checks if it matches boss or a manager. If the password matches, the flag is set to 1 and the function returns. Next, main function. This function handles the password input and calls. If no password is provided, it prints the usage message. If checkout returns 1, it prints access granted, otherwise it prints access denied. The last task in the buffer overflow attack is buffer exploit buffer. Buffer is nothing but a byte of array or size 20. Here address is to be placed in the buffer and pointer, the value of the address, is converted into an integer. The address is then assigned to this pointer. The buffer is updated with the little n and the representation of addresses. For detailed information, don't forget to visit the website that I have mentioned in the description. Thank you.